So, you guys all know who this guy is, right? Sir Isaac Newton. He's probably definitely one of the smartest people that ever lived in the world, right? And when you think of Newton, you're probably thinking of, the guy who advanced the field of physics, astronomy, natural science. You all know that. You've studied him in your textbooks. And Newton has an incredible lot of accolades to his name, incredible amount. He was very holistic. He was practically in every field of science and astronomy, right? Like, if you think about Newton, you're probably thinking about the guy who advanced the field of physics, astronomy, natural science. He had that three laws of motion, simple, pertinent, perfect equations to describe motion around the world. He introduced the concept of universal gravitation. He kind of said that the speed of the Earth was an oblate spheroid. He came up with the power series expansion. He generalized binomial theorem to non-integer exponents, developed Newton's method for approximating roots of a function. He classified cubic plane curves. He had that Newton-Raphson method. He developed calculus, although Leibniz takes some of the credit for that. He had that Newton rings and optics thing. Yeah, that was a thing. And he also said that color is a property of light. He came up with his own Newtonian telescope. He formulated an empirical law of cooling, studied the speed of sound, introduced the concept of a Newtonian fluid, and if you know too much about this guy, you may know that the guy also studied biblical chronology and alchemy, right? If you dove deep into Newton's character, you might have known about that the guy actually studied some biblical chronology and alchemy, and those works were published after his death. Right? If that's what you know of Newton, that's pretty good. That's all you know. But what I discovered just now is practically gonna blow your mind. Like, I had no idea, absolutely no idea, that Newton, my man Newton, was an agriculturalist. He was a farmer. And to cap it all off, the guy worked with Abraham Lincoln. Now, I don't know how. It makes no sense. But literally, I got the proof right here. This book here says that Abraham Lincoln, hold on. Abraham Lincoln deemed the People Department, and appointed Isaac Newton as the first commissioner of agriculture. Lincoln decided to turn to Newton because farms were successful and he had seen the models. My man, you were everything, weren't you? Oh, well done, brother. Oh, well done.